Hello and welcome. Today, let's talk about the controversy surrounding the Wilson College Gymkhana ground situated on Marine Drive in Mumbai. Ever since Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has transferred the lease of this ground from Wilson College to a Jain organization which goes by the name of Jain International Organization or GEO, the issue has snowballed into a major controversy. It's taken on a political color and has become a fight between Maharashtrian versus Jains and Christians versus Jains. UBT Sena leader Sanjay Raut recently made a public statement that Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis was acting under pressure from his own minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha and that his party, which is the UBT Sena, would oppose the move tooth and nail.
मैं जब मरीन ड्राइव से निकलता था, इस्लामिक जिमखाना, कैथलिक जिमखाना, पारसी जिमखाना और मजबूरी से हिंदू जिमखाना, जब ये देखता था तब विचार आता था 19 लाख वोटर्स जिस मुंबई में बसते हैं वो जैन कहाँ है?
Wilson College caters all community students. We give admission to all the community being a minority institution. We have more than the other community student than the minority student, and this facility, which is the Gymkhana, is accessed by all these students for their welfare, for their sports activities.
On Monday last, a massive protest march was organized by a local NGO which goes by the name of Ami Girgaonkar and Wilson College authorities. It was attended not only by students, teachers and alumni of the college, but also prominent members of the Christian community as well as locals from surrounding areas like Kalba Devi Girgaon and Tardi.
55 से हम लोग इस ग्राउंड पे जाके खेल रहे हैं। कभी भी किसी ने सिक्योरिटी गार्ड तो दूर की बात, कभी उधर के माली ने भी हमको रोका नहीं, टोका नहीं। आज जाकर देखते उधर को जियो करके जैन संगठन है, उन्होंने अनऑफिशियली एक्वायर करके ये पूरा ग्राउंड उधर पहली बात बैरिकेड्स लगाए और बाउंसर्स बिठाए। उधर से जाके बाहर हम लोग बात भी करते रहेंगे फोन पे तो आके डांटते हैं। क्यों, क्या चल क्या रहा है? ये जिधर किसी को भी अंदर जाने के लिए पहले रोक टोक नहीं थी, ये खुद की प्रॉपर्टी है, प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी जैसे खरीदे इस तरह से बिहेव कर रहे। हम लोग को नहीं चलेगा, पहले जैसे था वैसे ही जिमखाना हमको चाहिए।
Taking the Gymkhana away from us is like tearing a limb of a body. It's like we're torn away. A part of Wilson College is just torn, it's ripped out of us. And for what? The Gymkhana is for educational purposes. Sports, games, physical education is a part of education. It's education. And how can you rip one part of education from the other? The victims are the students, the teachers, and the educationists. Give our Gymkhana back. It belongs to us. It doesn't belong to anyone else. It was Wilson Gymkhana, it will be Wilson Gymkhana, and it is Wilson.
Now, the Jain International Organization has taken possession of the ground. They put up barricades and banners and are denying access to students and locals. Students complain that this has impacted their sports activities, so much so that their cricket teams and football teams have now been disbanded.
So, मेरा पैशन, मेरा ड्रीम जो भी था क्रिकेट, वो अधूरा रह गया बिकॉज कॉलेज ने क्रिकेट बंद कर दिया और कॉलेज के पास कोई ग्राउंड नहीं है स्पेसिफिक नेट्स के लिए, इसके लिए क्रिकेट बंद हो गया।
So ever since this ground has been handed to the Jain community, we don't have access to it. So even if we have to play a cricket match, we have to book it, and the prizes are 50,000 for a 40-over cricket match.
We spoke to Mr. Vijay Kumar Jain, who heads the Jain International Organization, to understand why, when the matter is sub judice in court, his organization has taken possession of the ground, has put up barricades, and has even started construction activity on the ground. Listen in.
The Wilson Gymkhana, as it was called, this is a collector's land. The collector has given them on lease. Their lease after three terms expired in 1999. Since 1999, they have done nothing to renew the lease. So collector took a decision to take back their land, and once the land was with the collector, this piece of land belongs to Jain Gymkhana, and the possession has been given by the collector to us. That board does exist there. So what's wrong if we are trying to improve the whole thing. We want to keep a very close step on what we are not doing any construction. I said, no, we are just trying to improve the sporting activities. When the Gymkhana was handed over to us, it was a big grass was there. There were lots of potholes. It was very badly maintained. So to allow people to play, it has to be maintained. So we are just trying to do the maintenance of the ground.
In spite of the case being sub judice in the Bombay High Court, you can see the banners have been put up. Okay, the turf has been extended to almost 150 to 200 feet. Construction work is on. These railings have been put. Okay, they don't want anyone to go inside.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि फडणवीस साहब इस स्टेट के सीएम है, वो कोई एक कम्युनिटी के सीएम नहीं है, वो हमारे भी सीएम है, इस पूरी जनता के सीएम है, वो हमारे पालक है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी ये माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी पे क्यों इनजस्टिस हो रहा है। स्टूडेंट के लिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी जाएंगे, अगर यहाँ पे हमको न्याय नहीं मिलता है, हमको जस्टिस नहीं मिलता है, तो जो डेमोक्रेटिक वे के जो प्रकार है, मोर्चा, निदर्शन, ये पूरे महाराष्ट्र में ग्रास रूट लेवल से तो दिल्ली तक हम आंदोलन करेंगे।
Now, all eyes are on the Bombay High Court. Supreme Court has directed the High Court to take up this issue on February 11. Till then, it's wait and watch.